Hi there, welcome to today's graphic design tutorial. We'll be learning how to create perspective text with shadow and show you how to grab a subject from the background to make it the main focus of your design. First, upload your image and add it to your canvas. Then let's add some text using the Type Gradient app. Enter your text in the main text box. Adjust the font and color and click Add to Design button once you're happy with it. Since we can't transform the text directly, we need to convert it to an image. Right-click and select Download Selection. This will allow us to manipulate the text in ways that would be difficult with a regular text layer. Now upload the image. Next, we will transform the perspective of the text. Go to the Apps tab, search for the Reshape app. Select your image and choose one of the transformation options that will work for your design. In this case, we'll use the perspective option. Next is we're going to add the text shadow. Duplicate the text and go to Edit. In the Filters tab, select Noir under the Mono section. This will change the text color to grayscale. Then, go to the Apps tab and search for Easy Reflection. Lower the offset value so the shadow fades at the other end. We're going to use the Reshape app again to adjust the perspective of the shadow. Since the shadow's edge was cut off, we'll need to expand it. Double-click on the shadow, go to the Expand tab, and expand it to cover the edges of the image. Then click Expand. Use Background Remover tool to remove the black background. After that, lower the opacity. Our text is now complete. Let's add the main subject, the man riding a motorcycle. We want to bring this subject to the front of the text. Click on the image, go to Edit, and select the Magic Grab tool. And that's a wrap. Thanks for following along. Hope you learned something new today. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tutorials. Catch you in the next video.